Good morning or good day, wherever you are. Welcome to our global webinar, Real-Time Daily Trading Ideas. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. We will speak about trading ideas, strategies, market screen, and maybe 1 or 2 questions from your side directly answered in our webinar. Our goal is quick and smart, so let's have a nice start like every day. Also today, it's Thursday, 19th of July, 2018. Welcome to Admiral Markets. We will start like every day with our disclaimer. Forex and CFDs are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. If you're a starter, please start with a demo account and make yourself familiar with long trading, short trading, leverage trading, and your personal risk management. If you like to read the full disclaimer, just visit one of our web pages, for example, admiralmarkets.com, and you will find everything written down there. This is our scheme. On Monday, it's Jay's Day. On Tuesday, it's Paul's Day. On Wednesday, it's Giancarlo's Day. Like today, on Thursday, it's Markus' Day. And on Friday, it's DAX Day. Our leading day traders live every day to the same time. This is me. My name is Jens. I'm the German guy from Admiral Markets. I'm talking from the Berlin office, but I'm not the main speaker. The main speaker is the day trader of today. Of course, if you like to trade Forex and CFDs, you will get many benefits only with us. For example, Euro-Dollar, typical spread of just 0.8 pips. DAX 30, usually also a fixed spread of 0.8 pips or points only, but now in July we are partying and celebrating the DAX anniversary, 30 years of the DAX index. That's why you're getting now a much better spread of just 0.5 points. Doesn't matter if it's 0.8 or 0.5 now for the anniversary, it should be one of the best offers for DAX 30 trading what you could find in the global world. Check all the details out on admiralmarkets.com. There you will find also something about our regulatory background and of course how to contact us. You can call us, you can send us email or visit YouTube or Facebook. Everything linked on admiralmarkets.com. Enough from my side. Now it's time for Markus. Hi Markus, good morning, good day. What's your view to the markets today? So you have a big problem with your headset, just noise sound. I don't know if you can do something. That's not. Now it's getting better. 1, 2, 3. Let's make a sound check.
Can you hear me? 1, 2, 3.
Now it's great, but before it was.
Okay, great. Okay, I think it was an interruption when I started the webcam. Okay, great. Thank you for the introduction, Jens. Welcome here on a wonderful sunny new day, Thursday. Wonderful day. So this is the first slide. You know me. We do the same procedure as every week. Success, ladies and gentlemen, is not a fantasy, it's a formula. And my trading approach is based on the Dow theory. Dow theory means every chart, every single chart, every single market is working in a trend based on the behavior of supply and demand. That is everything what you have to need in your trading. And sometimes we have more buyers than the market is rising up. Sometimes we have more sellers, the price is decreasing down. And at the end, you can see a trend in the chart. So the probabilities, it's a statistical system, the probabilities are at around about 65% that you will get a trend continuation under especially conditions. And if you take care that the upper trend, the bigger trend, is running in the same direction like the trend you want to trade, the probabilities rising up to almost 72%. I think it's enough to make gains and to make winners in the market. And this is the slide you have to burn in your brain, and we have to look in every single market. So if you are interested how the result is looking, you can see, I will show you this one. This maybe you remember on the last week. So this is the result of last week, profit factor of 4.01. I think it's enough to earn money. So you can use it. And this is the trading approach what I use every day in day trading as swing trading as well. This is the procedure what we will do, or what we are doing in my trading and education service, Know-How Trading. So I prepared some signals for you, or some trading opportunities for you, and we will start with the Canadian against Swiss franc. And as I showed you in the first slide, we have to take care that the bigger trend is running in the same direction as we want to trade. So Canadian Swiss franc, you can see daily chart is facing downwards. So we have this movement, the correction, movement, correction, and now we are in direction of the lower side. So a trend continuation, ladies and gentlemen, is more likely as a trend break. So we have to accept that we can trade to the lower side. And you can see it's easy. So I use Heikin Ashi version. So Heikin Ashi is really easy. It's a trend indicator. So it shows you if we are in a stable trend, or if you can see such candlesticks, some balanced candlesticks, you can see maybe the trend is going to finish and will move the direction. But now in Canadian Swiss franc, you can see that the daily chart is facing downwards. The trend is stable. We were in the correction. Now a trend continuation is more likely. So this is the reason why you have to look in the hourly chart, that you find the chart, if you find the trend is facing in the same direction, so downwards. And here you can see, unfortunately, I did a trade and I was in the right direction, but the price came back so strong and stopped me out here, a little bit of spread. But and unfortunately, we had this trend break here. What we have to do? Nothing. You have to wait. You have to wait as long as you will get a new downtrend. Maybe, let me see, maybe this one. 1, 2, 3. Now you have a trend. Wait to the next correction and then try to get in the trade to the lower side. As long as this doesn't matter, you have to stay on the sideline and have to save your money. That's really, really important. Save money is the most important thing in your chart, in your trading. So this is Canadian Swiss franc. Waiting. So next one, Swiss against Japanese yen. Look at the daily chart. We have an uptrend. You can see uptrend, long trend, movement, correction, movement. So you can see I use my own developed expert advisor. This is this. It does it automatically. And so which trend or which direction we want to trade? Only long, never short, only long. So in this trade, I have a working trade as well. You can see I get inside here a little bit late, I know, but the stop is placed down or below this green correction zone here. The price came a little bit back, but the trend is stable as long as the price doesn't leave this correction zone to the lower side. So we know the probabilities are more on our side. So a trend continuation is more likely than a trend break. So everything is fine. So if you are not inside of this trade, you can wait. You can place your buy stop maybe below this candle here. This is a balanced candle. The trend is valid. We have a correction. They run very far, around about this point here. And now as well, a trend continuation is more likely than a trend break. This is everything what you have to do. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, next trading chance, maybe the closest trading chance for today or for this week. Next one, DAX, our lovely beloved DAX. I love it. Don't forget, tomorrow we have a small expiry day, and you can see, sorry, you can see daily chart. In my opinion, we can see a really difficult situation. First, we have a downtrend. This is the red one. Downtrend, this is the bigger trend. But underneath or included in this downtrend, you can see this green. I prepared it for you. You can see this green trend here, movement, correction, movement, and now we are in a move. But everything is included in the big downtrend. So what you have to do, it's really difficult. So that's trends, they're running against to each other, and that decreases our trading chances, or decreases our trading probabilities round about 50-50, and that's not my situation. So if you want to have 50-50, go to the casino and play with your money, but not in trading. Not in trading. That's not the best idea. You have to save your money first. So, but especially I expect that we get a trading chance for the short trade, because I believe that the bigger trend is more important than the smaller trend. So, and I expect a trading continuation to the lower side. This is why I settled up my hourly chart as to the lower side, to a short trade. And you can see here we have we have here a current downtrend. You can see it, movement, correction, movement. Now we are in the move. You have to wait. Actually, you have to wait till the price came back in the red correction zone. Then there will occur some reversal signals, and then you can trade the lower side. Waiting. That's so much important. I know the big challenge is taking place in your mind, and not the trading approach. The trading, you can use a lot of trading approaches. A lot of trading approaches are very successful, but the real challenge is taking your mind. You have to wait. You have to be patient. I know it's very difficult, and sometimes it's better you have a coach on your side, or you have a trading community like our webinars here at Admiral Markets, or in my trading community. We do it together, and together we are a big family, we are a big team, and maybe it's easier as if you are alone for your PC, and if sometimes you're feeling especially very lonely and you get no feedback what you have to do in the market. So DAX short. Next one. Euro against Aussie dollar. Andreas, a little bit later. So a euro, Aussie dollar. Look at the daily chart. Remind at the first slide, you have to take care that the bigger trend is support you. In other words, that the bigger trend is support you. In that way, you can see the same direction you want to trade, or you can use divergences, or you can use support and resistance, and we will see. I think we can use with education service and education content in the next days or hours here, of weeks here at Admiral Markets, and then you will learn how you can trade, how can you use it. So a euro Aussie dollar is facing downwards. You can see it's easy. It's a nut trend, it's a downtrend, movement, correction, movement, a big correction. Now that you can see it's going down, and the trend continuation is more likely. So what you have to do, use and find a downtrend, but not yet. So actually, euro is a little bit strong against the US, against the Aussie dollar. You have to wait if you will find here a short trade. So the expert advisor does it itself. I said to him, look only short, no more, no less. But maybe you will get tomorrow or next week a trading chance to short. Next one, Japanese yen, British pound, Japanese yen. You can see short, but what does the daily chart? Difficult. It's long. You can see British Japanese yen is long. Look, this one may be long. It's difficult. Look at this one. On the first glance, you will see this uptrend is in the correction. You can see this one, but it's a trap. Why it is a trap? Because it's a corrective character. Look at this one. The main trend, basically, look, this one is facing downwards. And included in this, you can see this one, movement, correction, movement, correction, a big move, and no trend break here. So the main trend is facing downwards. That's the reason why I am watching the market about short. So, and now here get the chance 1, 2, 3. In the next chance, or here was the trading chance here at this area. Here was the balance candles. Here were the balance candles, and now it's going down. You see a trend continuation is more likely than a trend break. Next one, gold. Clear the daily chart, and here it's a special situation. Here we can use divergences in the upper trend. So you can see you have a stable trend facing downwards. We are very strong and very far in the move. But if you connect the lower lows, you can see the RSI as an indicator for the strengthening of the trend is not so weak than the trend or that the price. So that means you have a divergence. And divergences, ladies and gentlemen, are one of the most important and strong technical signals ever. Not in 5 minutes, not in 1 minute, in hourly chart, in daily chart, and in weekly chart. A lot of traders around the world are looking on divergences. A lot of computer systems, a lot of algorithms are working with divergences. So we can use the same situation. So what you have to do? Wait for a long trade. Look at this one. Now you have to wait if you will see here a long trend, and then you can make one shot in the upper move or in the long trade direction. Wait, the situation will come. Your trading chance will come. Be patient. That's really, really important. You will make money, a lot of money in the market, but you have to be patient if your trading chance will occur in the market. Next one, New Zealand Swiss franc. Oh, the time is going on. Daily chart. Down, you can see it's a downtrend. It's really easy. We are in the correction, and you know a trend continuation on the lower side is more likely than a trend break. So watch here. Look, it's easy. You have this downtrend. Now you have to wait till the price will come back in this correction zone, and you have to use here and our Fibonacci. So you have to wait at least 38%, better 50 or 61. That's it's the Fibonacci retracement, the golden tracement, the golden situation here, and then try to make a down trade to the lower side. Next one, New Zealand US dollar. I wrote here in long. Why long? Why long? It's a special situation. First, you can see the downtrend, but here in this price action here in this price level here, the price won't go down, more down. So we see a stabilization here at that price, and this situation you can use to go on the upper side. And by that reason, you have to see and you have to watch if the market will change the direction, and you have to wait if you can see here a long trade. New Zealand US dollar. Brand WTI, special situation as well. Look at the price. You can see this long trend. It's easy. You have to see that. That's a long trade, a long trend. You can see it here. The price come back really far, and that's interesting. Look where we are. It's really, really interesting. Look here at this price. You can see a very important price segment or price area. And now you can see today, oops, a little too much. This you can see this balance candle in Heikin Ashi. This means that we can see buyers and sellers are in balance in the book map. And this is a really strong signal that we can change the direction to the upper side. And in hourly chart, I am watching, or I am looking for a long trade. A little bit patient, but the chance will come. So the last two then I'm done. US dollar, Canadian dollar, same as well at the oil, long, long, long. The price came back, stabilization here at this price area, and now a trend continuation is more likely than a trend break. You see the same procedure in every chart, in every day, in every second, in every minute, in every hour. And now, unfortunately, we had a trend break here. That's a little bit bad. You can see here was the trend break, and now, but here a new trend, maybe, not really. We have to wait to this situation. Patient. Not today, not tomorrow, maybe on Monday. You will see next week in our next webinar. And the last one, US dollar, Swiss franc, daily chart as clear long. No other chance, no against the trend, never fight against the trend. So long, we have a little bit space to the upper side. Try to use this situation in this one. First, you have to be patient. It's a long situation, and you have to see there's not a valid trend. Actually, we need a close above this point 2, and then this one in the next correction we can try to use and to get inside of this market. I'm done. Thank you for your attention. I hope you learned something a little bit for your own trading approach. If you have some task or if you have some questions, let me know. And you can see that was a wish from Andreas. This is the result from last week. We will see what is this week. I don't know. This is the trading approach, and you can see you can earn money. It's a really small spot actually. It's not. We have to wait what will bring the next weeks. So that's my point. I'm done. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you a great day, sunny day. Take care, be healthy, and don't forget, trading is not the most important thing in your life.
Thank you, Markus. Tomorrow another day. Tomorrow a new day trader, 5 days a week, 5 different traders. So hope to see you all again. And if you'd like to see that from today again, a couple of hours later, just visit our YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and search for Admiral Markets, and you will find it. Greetings from Berlin office. Thank you for Markus, and hope to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.